In our previous tutorial, we demonstrated how to register your firm and connect your bank accounts within Accounting Power. Once you've completed that setup and mapped your accounts, you'll be able to import your transaction information under the Banking tab and selecting the Upload e-Statement. Depending on the information available from your institution, up to 90 days of historical transactions will be included during the initial transfer. For example, if you registered your client's bank feed on April 1st, the bank feed would import all transactions as of January 1st, 90 days forward. Please note that some institutions limit the access to historical transactions to 60 or even 30 days. In these scenarios, the bank feed will only return what the bank provides. On the Upload e-Statement screen, you will now notice bank feeds are now a new format option. With the eBank Import option selected, as well as the Bank Feeds format selected, use the Account drop-down to select the account that you mapped the bank feed to during the initial setup. Modify the date range for your import, and finally, select the Bank Feeds button located towards the top right of the screen. Accounting Power will immediately upload the new transactions for the given period and attempt to match any transactions with your existing vendor list. A summary of the total new, matching, and transactions with exceptions is listed towards the top of the window. The drop-down selection makes assigning a vendor name to an unidentified transaction very simple. If a vendor does not exist, it can be added by selecting the Add New Vendor hyperlink. To add a new name to your vendor list, you must provide at least a name and an expense account, and then select Save. Finally, return to the transactions and assign a vendor name to all transactions, and then select Apply Changes. Once the transactions have been posted, Accounting Power will create a relationship between the bank feeds memo field and the vendor name that was assigned. Over time, as you assign more and more transactions to vendors, you will notice an increase in the number of matched transactions, reducing the amount of time spent on manual data entry.